say Belfast then, but I'm not in Belfast. I'm like half an hour from Belfast. Close enough. But anyway, this video is all about my day out in Belfast city centre. So I'm home now for like a week, just over a week before going to New York for Christmas. So I love being at home for Christmas, especially in Belfast. They have the Continental Christmas markets, which I go to like every year that I am home. And it's, I don't know, it just makes me feel like really, really Christmassy. It's like, I think one of the best Christmas markets that I've been to, like UK wise. Like I think it's better than the ones in London, it's better than the one in Liverpool. I think it might be the only ones I've been to, but yeah, I think it is one of the best Christmas markets out there in the UK, personally speaking. But anyway, heading down to Belfast today, going to get the train and actually going on like a bit of a touristy day in Belfast. So I've teamed up with UNHEARD Adventures, who are like a new tour company in Belfast and in Ireland, delivering like more unique tours of Ireland and on hidden gems. So that's why it's called like UNHEARD Adventures. So it's not your regular like hop on hop off tour. It's a more like unique way of discovering Ireland and like more local things, and just a really cool way of seeing Ireland in a different perspective and seeing like independent sellers and places, bars, and the really great parts of Ireland that places and tours just like miss out on. So going down to Belfast today, and we're going on a Beyond the Walls tour of Belfast. So usually any tour in Belfast is about the Troubles. Like that is just, it goes without saying, every tour in Belfast is about the Troubles. But there is more to Belfast and Northern Ireland than what happened over those 20-30 years. Not that we like to talk about anything else, but this tour doesn't really mention it, doesn't go into it much. Obviously, you can't have a tour in Belfast without mentioning it because it is such a big part of our history. But this goes more into, it's a walking tour in the morning, and I'll show you the whole day what I get up to, but it's a walking tour in the morning of Belfast, and it takes you through how Belfast came to be what it is today, like where it actually started from, and like the surrounding city, how things were built, like architecture, and like how we had City Hall today. There actually used to be a castle in Belfast, which I didn't know about. Yeah, it'll just take you through then and now of Belfast with a local guide. So he's from like the local area, I believe, and he'll be taking us through all of Belfast today. So very excited for that. And then afterwards, after the walking tour, we'll be getting a light bite in St. George's Market, which is one of my favourite things to do in Belfast. So it's a covered market, and it's only open on the weekends, but it has like loads of stalls, like local stalls. And it's food, crafts, anything you want you can get in St. George's Market, but like loads of really good local food. And there is the famous Belfast Bat, which you might have seen on TikTok and Instagram, that is in St. George's Market. And there's also just like a lot of like local crafts and like handmade Irish crafts, which is really, really cool. So go have a little tour of that. And then the final part of the day is like a drinking experience. So there is a non-alcoholic version of this, but it is Belfast by the Glass, what it's called, and it takes you through all these different like cocktails, but the spirit is related to Irish history and Belfast history in particular, but it's meant to like all tie in, like the whole day ties in together, like the history you learn in the Belfast by the Glass ties in with what you learned in that morning, and it's just meant to be a really, really good experience and really good day. So yeah, excited to go down and do the walking tour, get some food in St. George's Market, and then end the day at the Belfast by the Glass drinking experience, and that'll set us up rightly for heading over to Belfast markets and maybe getting some more food, who knows, and just seeing what is going on in the markets this year. It'll probably be busy because it is a Saturday today, and it should be a nice day out in Belfast, I think, just to get in the Christmassy spirit. So yeah, we'll head down to Belfast on the train and explore for the day, but I'm bringing my mum with me because my mum can, you know, come along and have a nice day out on me for a change and experience something touristy at our own doorstep, which I think is like not something we always tend to do. Like I've been backpacking this last 9 months across Asia, and you know, going and seeing all these amazing things and like these famous touristy places, but there's so many things to do in Ireland that I just never do because I live here, like it's right on my doorstep, but I don't do it. And I think a lot of people are the same, they just don't go and do it. Like I've been in Belfast my whole life and I've never went on a walking tour or never done anything like touristy in it, except for like when we were in school they took us on the bus tour and stuff. But there's so much in Belfast to see and so much in Ireland in general, so definitely check out UNHEARD Adventures for all their different tours and things that they offer around the whole of Ireland, including Belfast, to see if there's anything touristy that you might want to do if you are local or if you are a tourist interested in coming to see Ireland, because it is a beautiful country, God's green country, and I just realised I am all green today. It's nowhere near St. Patrick's Day, but we are celebrating Irish history today, so yeah. If that even makes sense, probably not, but anyway, will go down. I think I went a bit heavy on the blushers today, but it's fine, we move. It's December, it's chilly, so my face will be pink anyway with the cold. It's fine, and my nose will soon catch up, so it is what it is. But let's go to Belfast and have a very fun day out with UNHEARD Adventures.
Translink NI railway service to Belfast Grand Central. This train calls at Hilton, Lambeg, Derryatty, Dunmurray, Finicky, Balmoral, Adelaide and Belfast Grand Central.
We had a flax dam or a lint dam. I think it's called lint dam in this one. Here's the flax plant. They put it on the left. We have the god Mercury. In this instance, we're down below to Scottish Provident Institution, an insurance company founded in Edinburgh, and then down with lovely Corinthian pillars now, and we see 4 boxes. Within 2 years, he was headlining the Royal Albert Hall in Belfast. But that is a royal right of way. They're not allowed to close that off. But they're building a shopping arcade there at the moment, so it can't come down.
And sell that, and then he put that proposal in, and somebody said, "Oh, here, I think that's got my head to shoot with that." So he started.
Is its taste and consistency seems to have changed over the centuries. Irish ishkabah was popular here, but was also very popular in England, and had become a common gift among the upper classes.